Hey everyone, it's Will Bowers with Allison James Estates and Homes. I am at 10204 Ashbrook Court, Unit C in Oakton, Virginia. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo for rent. And there's also a loft upstairs for extra space. I'm going to go through here, show you a little bit. I will show the loft as well. Right by the front door, you do have your coat closet. You have ceramic tile in the foyer, and then carpet through most of the unit. I'm going to show you the second bedroom and the second bathroom. Full tub, full shower. And then for the second bedroom right here, there's also a balcony, and with that I'll show you the parking lot for the community. Now we come through here. You have your living room and dining room. Wood burning fireplace right here. You also do have a window up there, so you get a little bit more natural light during the day. Your dining room area. And then in the kitchen, granite countertops, ceramic tile for the floors. You got prep room on both sides, which I think is really cool. Now also the laundry is right down here. And then your utility closet. Well, your HVAC system is here. The hot water heater is in a different section. And before I go to the loft, I'm going to show you the rest of this floor. Here you have your primary bedroom. Now the cool thing about the fireplace is it works on both sides. So in the living room and in the bedroom. And then the closet for the primary room. And your primary bathroom. So what I like with this particular layout is that both bedrooms are not right next to each other, so there's a little bit of separation. So if you've got somebody who's living in this room, there's a little bit of space from the primary bedroom, or if you're going to use this as an office space, again, a little separation from sleeping quarters from where you work. So for me, that's really cool. Now let me show you the balcony. Now, there are 2 assigned parking spots in here as well. There's also guest parking throughout the community as well. Now in here, I don't have the key to this, but the utility closet's in here, so your hot water heater's in here. There's also a little bit of storage as well, though it is outdoor, so anything that's temperature sensitive, I wouldn't put in there. Now, the cool part is the loft up here. So again, if you work from home or you need a home office, you have this area right over here. I'm a gamer, so this space would be really cool for that. If you're into hobbies, office space, an emergency bedroom, you could put a futon in here, turn it into a bed if you need. You have options. That's the one cool thing about this place is you do have options. Water is included in the rent, but electricity is not. So that would be the tenant responsibility. If you are interested, please feel free to reach out to me. We'll set up a showing. Now, if you do have an agent you're working with already, have them reach out to me as well. We'll set up a showing. And if you have any questions, like I said, reach out. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.